Thank you for choosing a Mitsubishi electric inverter. This video introduces how to set up the Mitsubishi Electric D800 inverter. Open the box and take out the inverter. Install the inverter in the enclosure. Avoid locations in direct sunlight and with high temperature or humidity. Securely attach the inverter with screws to a sturdy, non-flammable surface so that it is perpendicular to the floor. Ensure sufficient space to allow for proper cooling. The smallest 68.0 mm wide model does not come with a wiring cover. For all other models, a wiring cover is included. Remove the cover before installing the inverter in the enclosure. Firmly tighten the screws. This completes the installation process. Next, lightly hold the lower sides of the inverter and use the top edge of the cover as a pivot to pull the cover up and open. Now connect the main circuit and control circuit terminals. First, connect the ground wire. Then attach the power wires. Connect the power wires to terminals R, S, and T. Do not connect the power wires to terminals U, V, and W, as this will damage the inverter. Next, connect the motor ground wire. Connect the motor wires to terminals U, V, and W. After completing wiring, reattach the wiring cover to the inverter using the guides. Tighten the screw to secure the wiring cover. Next, wire the control circuit terminals. Use crimp terminals when wiring. Insert the wires into the terminals. Use the top edge of the front cover as a pivot and press the cover downward to close it. This completes the installation and wiring of the inverter.